Ever wonder who really builds the millions of vehicles hitting our roads every day? While we all recognize the badges of giants like Maruti, Tata, Hero, and Honda, there is a hidden powerhouse behind them. This is the story of Uno Minda, the invisible engine behind India's automotive industry. Uno Minda acts as a superstore for the parts that bring these machines to life. They are the strategic partners to the brands you know, providing the essential components that allow a vehicle to function, see, and think. This isn't a new player. Uno Minda has been an invisible force since 1958. With over 65 years of legacy, they operate more than 76 factories and employ over 37,000 people. They have grown into one of India's largest and most trusted auto component makers. Think of them as the heart, eyes, and brain of your ride. They provide the heart through power systems, the eyes through advanced lighting, and the brain through complex sensors and controllers that manage the vehicle's intelligence. Their foundation rests on everyday essentials: the tactile switches for your lights and wipers, advanced headlamps for safety, acoustics like horns and speakers, and the core seating comfort for bikes, cars, and buses. But they are also built for the future. Uno Minda is leading the charge in smart and electric mobility, with lightweight alloy wheels, ADAS safety tech like auto braking, and critical EV components like batteries and motors. Their parts are integrated into almost every vehicle you see. They are trusted by car brands like Hyundai and Mahindra, bike legends like TVS and Bajaj, and commercial vehicle leaders like Volvo, Eicher, and Ashok Leyland. The numbers show a story of accelerating growth. In Q2 of fiscal year 2026, revenue hit 4,814 crore, up over 13% year over year, while profit after tax surged by 27% to reach 304 crore. Looking at the full year, they achieved a massive annual revenue of 16,775 crore and a profit of 1,021 crore. With a net worth of over 6,113 crore and a stable ROCE of nearly 19%, their financial foundation is rock solid. Why are they leaders? They are agnostic to fuel types, ready for petrol, diesel, or electric. They consistently invest 4% of sales into R&D to stay at the cutting edge of innovation. Uno Minda is more than just a parts company. They are a major economic engine for India. By supplying advanced parts for the EV revolution, they're ensuring our vehicles stay modern, safe, and clean. The investment thesis here is hiding in plain sight. While the vehicle brands get the spotlight, Uno Minda delivers the performance. They are strategically positioned to dominate the future of mobility. For more smart investing insights, follow @ZinvestZ. But remember, this is for educational purposes. Always conduct your own research.